on?
YouTube. This is Angie Frick at Frickin' Making It Happen. I'm at Spa Nails, getting my nails done. This is my girl Linda. And this is, I don't know his name. I can't pronounce it. Pine?
Yeah,
Pine.
yeah, that's
He's got
right.
a YouTube channel
That's
too.
right, Megan. Megan, this is
Megan's got it.
It's her birthday today. Everybody say hello to Megan. I say happy birthday to her.
Did you switch it up? You switched the camera?
Yes, I did.
Oh, good job. He is on point.
You need this.
That's him? What's his name again?
Hey guys,
Hey. Is it
this
you
is
or me?
Angie. No, that's you.
Look, I'm confused, but that's okay. It happens often.
Okay, yes.
So this is Miss Linda. She's hooking me up. This is the only person I come to at Spa Nails, but I love everybody here. I haven't tried everybody here, but you know, I'm pretty faithful when I like somebody. So hey, I'm doing them long today. This is long for me. They are normally so short. That's long. So Miss Angie here. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that and share it, please. I will show you the end results though when she's done, but you can keep watching.
This is the day that Angie, she come here to get her nails done.
Yes.
And this is the processing how to get her beautiful nails.
Let's show off Megan's nails that Haynes did. Am I saying it right?
Yes.
Look at that. She's more of a neutral girl.
And feet.
But she got beautiful fingernails and toenails now. I love it. It's her birthday again, I gotta say it.
Yeah, say hello to birthday
We'll
to
have to show-
Megan.
We'll just show them where we go out and have our appetizers at. Yes.
Say anything you want to say, Megan. It's your birthday.
Hey, everybody.
It's your birthday. Say something.
It's my birthday.
Hey, we're gonna go have a moon cake.
A
Moon cake. Yeah, today is the moon cake.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's called Miss Autumn Day.
Autumn Day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, is that the name
Yes.
of what?
Mid-autumn day.
The whole Asia celebrated.
It's a celebration.
Yes, yes. That's a good day that Megan was born.
You guys should meet us out.
Yep, yep.
You guys should meet us out, then we can do a little, you know, live chat together or something. Get a little crazy.
Well, that's is it. So
We'll show you a little preview when she's all done.
yes, when
The colors on.
the colors on, you guys will take a look as Angie nails again.
That's
And
nail. Okay, I'm
all
gonna
right.
those. You want to make an appointment with them?
Yep, right now Angie, she doesn't know what you guys getting for your nails, but her nails she's gonna look like this right now, but later you can look what the colors. And here these colors ready to be on her nails. Yes, it's by D&D products, and it's what she picked out.
Oh, what is it?
Look at that! Oh, it's so
Oh,
beautiful.
D&D.
D&D, yeah.
D&D gel. I'm gonna have this on
130.
all my fingers. I'm gonna put this one just on my ring
You
finger.
don't mind any
So
one,
what colors
that
are
one
these? Are
they
these
come at
is there a
130.
number or is there a name?
There's a name. There's a name. I think it's the name, and
If you
number,
don't
and
mind
also the
any
name.
one,
What's
can
name
you
is
do
that?
one
Something.
come at
This is
130?
orchid.
Who?
Orchid.
Okay.
Orchid. I can't see. Lust. Oh, Orchid Lust. I like that.
Oh, this is
What's that one? Purple.
something for spring.
Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Purple spring. You got it. You got it. Hey,
Yeah.
I thought so. It's to kind of match my hair because you see it's kind of a
Okay.
violety purple. I change
Yes,
it every week.
yes.
So
I
I'm
agree.
hoping
I
it's
agree. Yeah,
this way.
yes. It look messy, but it's still beautiful, right?
I
And
love
she,
messy.
yes,
Messy is
yeah.
fun.
That's
Messy
here.
is
That's
fun.
how the
I have
style
fine
look.
hair. It's supposed to be crazy looking.
Yep.
So I love it. That's me crazy.
Yes. I hope you guys like this videos, and please subscribe. That's Linda. No,
Ah,
Linda customer, but Angie.
yep.
Yes, it's Angie,
Like,
guys.
subscribe, share.
Lady, okay?
Click the link below to get your hair done and your nails done. Thank you. Peace out. We'll see you later.
All right, Kim, good love, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say so.
Did you show me? Hey, we are back. We're getting you the final details of my nails. Linda at Spa Nail in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Take a look at my beautiful colors. Hello. We are at Spa Nail. We are showing the finishing touches of what Linda's doing to my nails. These beautiful colors. I'm in love. She's getting mad at me because I keep tensing up every time she tries to put the polish on. This is so long for me. I do never have nails this long. Never. I'm gonna see how long they last. Normally I could go 3 weeks. These people know how to hook it up. Yep. Only place I will go.
It is beautiful hands.
I like to match my hair.
Remember we talked about earlier? That's unfinished, and now it's the nail above.
Look, I'm getting
to
scolded
finish.
already. I'm getting scolded. I'm messing up.
And matching with Angie hair, which is a little light purple,
Yep.
right?
It was what was it? Purple. Purple Spring.
No, you were talking about color of your hair.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's like a purple gray. It's like a purple gray. I like it to match a little bit.
See, they look really match with her nails.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video.
Yes, she's right. She's right.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Share the love.
Yep. And make
It's
comments.
free to do.
How are you?
I hope you get a good laugh and
Yep.
get some good value here. Using
You
the
think you can
D and D line.
Products, D&D.
Using acrylic.
Yep.
First we used what? First we had a fake nail, right? What's it called? An attachment.
Gel powder.
I don't we use gel powder. We use the attachments,
That's just a lot.
a nail, and then we put acrylic on top with a gel layover.
Right.
Yep.
And this is the shiny coat that's
I'm talking about tomorrow.
after they put the polish on. If you want to keep the nail polish shiny and stay last longer,
Yes.
that you need to put this on.
What brand is
It's
this?
called a top coat. The brand is called D&D.
What brand is using? Is she using OPI right now?
OPI.
Monday?
Refresh?
What
is that?
time?
No, the top coat.
What's the name of
That's
this?
the top coat. The top coat.
Top coat gelless.
The top coat made by Gel.
Because
Top
Darius
coat
going,
Gel.
Darius going back
Gel
on,
has their own line?
on Saturday.
Yes.
He said
Called
he
Gel?
gotta
Yeah,
work
Gel
that
is
day.
jealous. Gel is
Gel-ish.
Yeah, because I don't want to have to drive.
So Angie hand is about completely done, guys. So hope you guys like the video.
I'm going to have kids.
This is my boy
And
J Rock. He's
subscribe,
got a
yes,
YouTube channel
subscribe.
too. Check him out.
Subscribe and give her some
Are you gonna
comments.
stay at the house,
Did you have
right?
anything? That
Okay,
this
well, then,
time,
yeah.
Angie, you get the nail done. I don't know
One
where you guys
line.
at. Maybe you guys get the nail done or hair done. Maybe even you have some coffee Starbucks, right? That's what you're doing. But at this time, Angie's enjoy life.
The good life.
Yes.
Living my best
And
life.
thank you. You need thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Much
said,
love,
y'all
you
gonna
too.
keep
Say
showing
hello.
Right?
Hey, hey, hey.
Yes.
It's my turn to get beautiful.
So you don't know what are you going to
And
okay,
hope
gotta
you guys
decide
like
if
the
you're gonna
video.
take the train back or are you going to...
And for the next
Because if
video,
You got to
in the
decide.
next video, next,
Okay.
you will see a lot of stuff
I just
come up
was
with
thinking about that. 'cause
Angie.
Darius going- he
Free.
gonna be
Yes,
sitting
and
home.
hopefully J
Channel.
Rock and I can collaborate a little bit.
It's only 50
He's already
bucks.
taught me a few new things to do with my channel, so I'm excited. We're learning from each other, and you know, if you want to get more inspiration, just check my link out below for the Overnight Millionaire with Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin and Ariella. They are an amazing team, and we support each other all the time and learn new things. So I'll leave that link below as well, along with my email address if you want to get your hair hooked
You're
up.
done. You're done.
Oh, snap. I'm done. I don't pay attention. ADHD. It's real. It's a real thing, okay? And
Real
I'm on
thing.
something. Anyway, deuces. Much love. Love ya.
Peace out. Bye, guys.
My boy J Rock.
Hello.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm in love with my nails. Look it. I'm gonna have to go a little
This is
more
Angie.
purple.
She's the girl, guys.
With my girl for her birthday. Part 2 of her birthday day. Megan, look. We're going to the club because this is really dead right now, but it's kind of